And so there is an element of fear whenever anybody wants to speak up. They're afraid for themselves because maybe they're a lawful permanent resident, maybe they're a non-immigrant, maybe they have applications pending, maybe even they're a naturalized citizen. I have seen people who are afraid to say anything because they're a naturalized citizen, and based on the rhetoric of the Trump administration, they're afraid that their citizenship will be taken away solely because they weren't born here. And so there is the First Amendment, which protects them. No doubt it protects them, and it's in the Constitution. And then there's the reality of ICE through the instructions of the president to basically deport anyone and everyone that they believe is either not white or not looking like a U.S. citizen. They're totally profiling. So the fact of the matter is that when this happens, people have to speak up and they have to oppose this type of injustice. But then again, there's a reality where people are just afraid they're going to be taken into a van and disappeared. And so, what I would suggest is if you can get an attorney, an immigration attorney who knows what they're doing, that will not be on call, but will know your situation and give a consult, and you are taken if you are improperly detained. The attorney can then file all kinds of stuff, the habeas corpus, they can do a bond redetermination hearing, they can represent you in removal proceedings, they can find out where you are, all kinds of stuff can happen if you have an attorney basically who knows the situation.